Every year, dealers convince buyers that any new truck will hit 300,000 miles. Meanwhile, federal investigators are probing catastrophic engine failures in America's best-selling pickups. In 2026, choosing the wrong truck could mean a seized engine before you finish paying it off. These 7 pickups defy that pattern. Number 7. Honda Ridgeline. The Ridgeline gets mocked relentlessly. Car-based platform, front-wheel drive, and a bed barely big enough for weekend projects. Yet according to iSeeCar's analysis of 174 million vehicles, this unconventional truck has a 25.8% chance of surpassing 250,000 miles, beating the 19.4% truck average and outperforming traditional body-on-frame competitors. The second-generation Ridgeline's longevity comes from Honda's obsessive engineering. Its 3.5-liter V6 is part of the J35 engine family, refined continuously since 1998. Nearly 3 decades of iteration means Honda already solved problems that still plague newer powertrains. Early 2017 to 2018 models saw complaints about the 9-speed automatic's harsh shifting, but Honda addressed most issues with software updates by 2019, making later models far more dependable. What the Ridgeline gives up in maximum capability, it gains in build quality. Unibody construction enables tighter manufacturing tolerances, while the in-bed trunk adds secure storage impossible in conventional trucks. For suburban homeowners and weekend warriors who want real truck utility without sacrificing daily comfort, few vehicles match this blend of refinement and proven longevity. Number 6. Toyota Tacoma. The Tacoma has near-mythical status, but generations matter. The second generation, 2005 to 2020, is the reliability sweet spot, posting a 26.7% chance of surpassing 250,000 miles per iSeeCars, well above the truck average. It uses Toyota's legendary 4.0-liter 1G RFE V6. A timing chain eliminates belt service, and conservative tuning with overbuilt internals enables sustained abuse. Many owners report 300,000-plus miles with basic maintenance. The real threat isn't the engine but frame rust. Toyota recalled 690,000 Tacomas, 1995 to 2017, for catastrophic corrosion, including frame fractures, leaf spring mount failures, and brake line ruptures during normal driving. In dry climates, trucks from Arizona and Nevada often show zero corrosion. In northern regions, rust prevention is mandatory. Annual fluid film treatments and POR 15 coatings halt oxidation. Ignore rust, and it's a time bomb. Handle it right, and you own one of the most durable mid-sized trucks ever built. Number 5. Ford F-250. Super Duty. The F-250 posts a 27.4% probability of reaching 250,000 miles, according to iSeeCars, well above the segment average. The current generation Super Duty with Ford's 7.3-liter Godzilla gas V8 delivers peak reliability without diesel complexity. Launched in 2020 for commercial use, this pushrod, naturally aspirated V8 prioritizes dependability over efficiency. Unlike turbocharged EcoBoost engines, it has no turbos to rebuild and no intercoolers to replace. With 445 cubic inches, the engine rarely works hard. 10,000-pound towing barely stresses a power plant engineered for 20,000-pound commercial loads. Engines operating far below design limits tend to last. Ford pairs it with a 10-speed automatic that's proven reasonably reliable. 50,000-mile fluid changes help it exceed 200,000 miles. A fully boxed frame, front to rear, resists the flex and fatigue cracking that destroys lesser trucks. Number 4. Ford F350 Super Duty. The F350 has a 28.3% chance of reaching 250,000 miles, about 1.5 times better than average per iSeeCars. A 2000 model with the 7.3-liter Power Stroke diesel logged approximately 1.3 million miles on its original engine and transmission. Buyers choose a 6.8-liter gas V8, 405 horsepower, or 7.3-liter gas V8, 430 horsepower, while the 6.7-liter Power-Stroke diesel delivers 475 horsepower over 1,050 pounds-feet, or 500 horsepower over 1,200 pounds-feet high output, reliable but complex. For longevity with minimal hassle, the 7.3-liter gas V8 is ideal. No DEF, particulate filters, or emissions systems. Commercial-grade components, heavier frames, stronger mounts, robust drivetrains, overbuilt for extreme duty, ensure typical use barely stresses the truck. Number 3. GMC Sierra 2500 HD. The Sierra 2500 HD has a 29.1% chance of surpassing 250,000 miles per IC cars, nearly triple the average. With a fully boxed steel frame, it delivers commercial-grade durability. It comes with a 6.6-liter gas V8, 401 horsepower, 464 pound-feet, or 6.6-liter Duramax diesel, 470 horsepower, 975 pound-feet, with GMC's 10-speed Allison automatic. The diesel is reliable but complex. DEF, particulate filter regeneration, and costly fuel components. The gas V8 is the smarter choice. Tow ratings reach 21,870 pounds, payload 3,900 pounds. For those needing maximum capability and proven reliability, the Sierra 2500 HD delivers without experimental powertrains or cost-cutting compromises. Number 2. Toyota Tundra. The second-generation Tundra has a 36.6% chance of exceeding 250,000 miles per IC cars, over 7.5 times the average vehicle. Durability comes from the 5.7-liter 3URFE V8. No cylinder deactivation, no turbo, no direct injection, just a large V8 with timing chain reliability. Overbuilt components, cast iron block, forged crank, 6-bolt main caps, allow hundreds of thousands of miles under stress. The 6-speed automatic is simple and reliable beyond 300,000 miles with 60,000-mile fluid changes. The third-generation Tundra, 2022 Plus, has recalls and twin-turbo V6 issues. Clean second-gen examples are rare, but well-maintained trucks can exceed 1 million miles, unmatched in the half-ton segment. Number 1. Ram 2500 over 3500 Cummins diesel. The Ram 3500 with Cummins turbo diesel has a 39.7% chance of exceeding 250,000 miles per IC cars, more than 8 times the average vehicle. The Cummins Inline 6 is a commercial-grade engine adapted for consumer trucks. Its superior balance, simpler construction, robust bottom end, and fewer moving parts make it exceptionally reliable. Engines routinely exceed 500,000 miles, with many reaching 750,000 plus miles. Electronics are the truck's weak point. Instrument cluster failures, infotainment glitches, and electrical issues are common. The powertrain outlasts the truck, but electronics may fail first. The 2003 to 2007 Ram 5.9-liter Cummins is the sweet spot. No DPF, DEF, or SCR. Just proven mechanical fuel injection, robust turbocharging, and legendary durability. These 7 trucks represent the last generation engineered for genuine longevity. But here's the uncomfortable truth. America's best-selling truck, the Ford F-150, sits below average at just 15.8% probability of reaching 250,000 miles according to IC Cars data. The Ram 1500 achieves only 11.5%. Meanwhile, GM recalled nearly 600,000 vehicles for catastrophic 6.2-liter V8 engine failures in 2025. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments.